Guys, welcome to the channel, and this is the new frame for my 1964 Chevrolet Impala. I just recently had it sandblasted and coated with POR-15, and this is what's going to be going under the Impala. We had to actually weld another piece on this back end right here just to reinforce it, because when they were doing actually the sandblasting, it just like blew through the steel on there. And then the old frame from the red Impala, we had to cut the front end of it off right here, as you can see the weld marks, and add those in there also. But frame is officially coated and done. POR-15 X Frame for a 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Extremely pleased. This number's done. Next, the plans for this frame right here is to go ahead and move forward with the assembly of the front disc brake conversion, and also get the rear end hooked up also as well. So I was trying to get the 64 Chevrolet Impala ready to go ahead and get the new frame under it. Or actually, we're not even doing that yet. We're getting it prepped right now to go ahead and get this thing ready to put some new floors in. So right now I'm taking out the front seat. As you can see, there are no doors, and this is the frame that was under the red car. End up taking the frame that was on the red car over there, which is now sitting up there, because that car is getting ready to go for sale. But little progress at a time. Taking the seat out so that we can start working on the floors, and then also working on taking out the trunk. So long process, a little bit at a time. Just a quick little update. Go ahead and hit that like button, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.